Understanding the right types of insurance is essential for protecting your finances and future. In this video, we'll cover the 8 must-have insurance types to ensure you're well covered without overspending. Let's get started. 1. Auto insurance. We're starting with auto insurance. If you're a driver, this one's non-negotiable, and most states require it, but it's not as simple as just having any auto insurance. There are some essential components to consider. Collision coverage. This helps pay for repairs if an accident is your fault, which can be critical if your car is seriously damaged. Comprehensive coverage protects your car from non-collision events like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. If your car is damaged by a storm or someone breaks into it, this coverage will handle it. Liability coverage. This is crucial. If an accident's your fault, it covers damages to others' property and medical expenses. We recommend aiming for at least $500,000 in liability coverage. That may sound like a lot, but it can save you from financial ruin if you cause a serious accident. Personal injury protection, PIP. PIP can cover medical costs for you and your passengers, regardless of who is at fault. It can also cover lost wages if you're unable to work after an accident. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. This kicks in if you're in an accident with someone who doesn't have enough insurance or none at all. It's a vital safety net. Having the right balance in your auto insurance protects your car, your finances, and your peace of mind. While these types of coverage may come with a premium, they can help you avoid financial disaster in the event of an accident. 2. Health insurance. Health insurance is a big one, and with good reason. Medical costs can skyrocket for even minor emergencies. Imagine a quick surgery running up to $100,000 without insurance. That's a tough pill to swallow. Health insurance isn't just for covering the basics, it's there for the unexpected, like surgeries, major health crises, or even long-term treatment. Medical expenses can drain your savings, but the right insurance will ensure you don't have to face those expenses alone. Here are some ways to make health insurance more affordable. Employer-sponsored plans. If your employer offers health insurance, take full advantage of it. These plans often provide better coverage at lower rates, especially if they subsidize part of the cost. Higher deductibles. Choosing a plan with a higher deductible can lower your monthly premium. However, you'll need to be prepared to pay more upfront if you need care. Health savings accounts. If you're eligible, an HSA is a great tool for saving for medical expenses with tax benefits. Health share plans. These are an alternative to traditional health insurance where a group of people shares medical costs. They can be more affordable, but may have limitations. A little investment here can save you a world of financial stress. Health insurance ensures you're not financially devastated if an unexpected medical issue arises. 3. Life insurance. Life insurance is another essential if you have loved ones who rely on your income. It's really about protecting them if something happens to you. If you have a family, life insurance provides them with the financial support they need to maintain their quality of life in case of your untimely death. A simple term life insurance plan is often the best way to go. It's straightforward, affordable, and effective. Here's why. Affordability. Term life is more affordable than whole life insurance, and you can lock in a lower premium if you're healthy when you purchase it. Straightforward coverage. With term life insurance, you know exactly what's covered and how long the coverage lasts. It's simple, with no hidden fees or complexities. Coverage amount. It's a good rule of thumb to purchase a policy that covers about 10 to 12 times your annual income. For example, if you earn $50,000 annually, consider a $500,000 to $600,000 policy. This will provide your family with sufficient financial security. Avoid costly whole life plans, which mix insurance with investments. This usually isn't a good deal for most people. Stick to a term life plan to keep things simple and affordable. 4. Homeowners or renters insurance. Whether you own a home or rent, insurance for your home and belongings is a must. For homeowners, this coverage includes things like extended dwelling coverage, pays to rebuild your home if it's destroyed by fire, natural disaster, or other covered events. Personal property coverage replaces your belongings if they're damaged or stolen. This can cover everything from electronics to furniture to clothing. Liability coverage covers legal costs if someone is hurt on your property. If a guest slips and falls or gets injured, this can save you from expensive legal fees and medical costs. For renters, you're not off the hook. Renter's insurance can be just as important since it protects your personal items. Often, renters assume their landlord's policy covers their stuff, but it doesn't. Renter's insurance is generally very affordable and offers peace of mind, knowing your items are covered in case of fire, theft, or damage. 5. Long-term disability insurance. Imagine being unable to work for a long period due to an injury or illness. That's where long-term disability insurance comes in. The policy usually covers around 60 to 70% of your income, helping keep you financially stable during tough times. Since disabilities can happen to anyone, having long-term disability insurance is essential, whether it's a car accident, illness, or an unexpected event. This policy ensures you have the income you need to cover basic expenses while you recover. Some employers offer this as a benefit, so be sure to take advantage if it's available to you. 6. Long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance becomes increasingly important as we age. This coverage helps with expenses related to assisted living, home care, or nursing facilities if you're unable to care for yourself. With around 70% of Americans over 65 needing some form of long-term care, having this insurance is a great way to protect your savings and ensure that your retirement stays intact. The costs of long-term care can quickly deplete your savings, so planning ahead with insurance can keep you financially secure in your later years. Some policies also include options for in-home care, which allows you to stay in a familiar environment rather than entering a nursing facility. 7. Identity theft protection. Though not exactly insurance, identity theft protection can save you major headaches. With millions of identity theft cases reported each year, having a plan in place is invaluable. A good identity theft protection plan goes beyond just credit monitoring. It includes services like credit monitoring, tracks your credit reports for signs of suspicious activity, identity restoration services, helps you recover your identity if it's stolen, and these services can guide you through the process of reporting and fixing the issue. Insurance coverage. Some plans offer reimbursement for expenses related to identity theft recovery, including legal fees, lost wages, and even costs associated with restoring your credit. In today's digital world, protecting your personal information is crucial. This service can give you peace of mind, knowing that if something goes wrong, you're covered. 8. Umbrella policy. Finally, let's talk about the umbrella policy, a form of extended liability coverage. This policy provides an extra layer of protection on top of your auto and homeowner's insurance, perfect for anyone with substantial assets or a high net worth. Why you need one? If you're involved in a major accident or lawsuit, your regular auto or homeowner's policy might not cover all of the costs. An umbrella policy kicks in to cover excess costs above your standard policy limits. Affordable protection. Despite offering high coverage limits, millions of dollars, umbrella policies are typically very affordable. You can often get $1 million in coverage for just a couple $100 annually. For anyone with significant savings, real estate, or assets, it's a wise investment. Legal protection. Umbrella policies also cover legal costs if you're sued, which is especially important if you're a business owner or someone who interacts with the public frequently. And there you have it, the 8 types of insurance you don't want to go without. Each one offers a unique layer of protection, from auto and health insurance to an umbrella policy for added peace of mind. Remember, insurance isn't about avoiding small expenses. It's about safeguarding your future against those massive, unexpected costs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let us know in the comments if there's any insurance topic you'd like us to cover in more detail. Until next time, keep making those smart money moves and stay secure.